Welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. Today is Taco Tuesday and we are making taco spaghetti. Something a little different, you know. We already got our skillet heating up on medium-high heat. So let's get into today's recipe, y'all. So first, we have our meat in our skillet. Let's get to seasoning with a little salt. Hit it with some black pepper. And then we're going to take a little italiano. And of course, garlic powder. You can't do garlic without the onion powder. A little bit of parsley. And then we're going to hit it with a little bit of mild taco seasoning mix. And of course, you can use your favorite taco seasoning, whatever you like. All right, y'all, let's give it a good old stir. And we want this, of course, to get browned. And we're also going to add in some chopped onions and green, red, yellow bell peppers. If you don't like onions, of course, you can omit them. I really don't. So I didn't add as much onions to these recipe. But it's whatever you like. And we're going to cook that for a few minutes, y'all. So after about 10 minutes, it should be about browned. Add in your Rotel cans. We have 2 cans of Rotel here. And we just have the original. Of course, you can use mild, hot, whatever. We're also going to add a can of Enchilada sauce. I'm going to give that a nice little stir. And we are also going to be adding some beef broth. You could also use some water. We're going to take about 2 cups and pour that on in there. And for our thin spaghetti, we broke it in half and we're going to just place it in there. Keep on breaking them halves. And we want our pasta to be submerged within the beef broth. So if it doesn't fully cover it, just go ahead and add some more beef broth or add some more water. Go ahead and pour about the whole thing of beef broth in there. And keep playing around with your noodles, like I said, until they're completely submerged within that liquid. You'll let that cook for about another 10 minutes. And you want to stir occasionally. That way your noodles don't stick to each other. So just stir and stir. Keep on cooking. And y'all, as you can see, it's nice and bubbly. And that pasta is about al dente. They're very loose. And we're just going to keep on stirring that in there. All those little flavors. And now I'm going to be adding some black olives. And if you don't like olives, you can easily omit them. But we'll be adding a little mini can of olives in here. We're just going to stir those up in there. Y'all, we kept the top off. That way we can do our Mexican cheese blend and add as much cheese as you like. I'm gonna top that and just kind of spread it out evenly. We're gonna cover that back up so that way our cheese can get nice and melty. And y'all, it's been a few minutes and our cheese looks melted. Ooh, y'all. This is what our little taco spaghetti looks like. Add your little sour cream, a little bit more parsley. But y'all, this is a very easy and simple dinner recipe. I hope y'all enjoy and try it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Bye.